So hello parents, in this video I'm going to show you how we use the family Kanban board so that everybody knows what is on the to-do list and who is doing it and when it's in progress and when it's done. So here it is, the family magnetic Kanban board. So here it is in the hallway where everybody can see. We've got the to-do column and the done column, and then if something is in progress we simply put it into the middle column. This is how it's made. It's got a 3mm bit of MDF board, it's got a ceramic magnet and a sticky note that's been superglued to it. So when one of the family members is doing that thing, we put it in the middle to show that it's in progress, and then when it's done we put it in the done column. And it feels great to have it in the done column. And we don't have to communicate verbally, we can see who's doing what. Right now I'm making a YouTube video, so on the in progress board there's a YouTube video. Now this is just the 3mm bit of MDF board, and then the ceramic magnet. I've got a list of things at the end of this video. So a bit of super glue and glue the sticky note on. And there you have it. It's a very simple system. Make a YouTube video. So that's how it works. It's the Kanban system, and it just has it's a visual cue about what needs to be done, what's in progress and what's done. And we've got the kids' homework and a few other chores, and you can write it for yourself or write it for somebody else. So that's the family magnetic Kanban board. It's a powerful tool in the lean family organization toolbox, if you like, and I just thought I'd share that with you tonight. Hopefully try it out. Look, I'm going to show you what the items are that you need to do this. So here's what you'll need to make the Kanban board. I got one Otto magnetic chalkboard for $19.94 from Officeworks. Went to Bunnings warehouse and got some of these ceramic ring mounts. They cost me $3, so I was really happy with that. And the next thing you'll need is these sticky notes from Officeworks for $4.38, and to glue them together a bit of super glue, which cost me $1.75. So that's where I got the items I used to make our Kanban board. By the way, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also consider joining my school community, Lean Into Life, where you organize your family life. Here it is. I've got a whole lot of resources as well as a classroom, and I'd love you to be a part of this community. It's currently free, so join in. It's free until we get to 50 members. So that's it, the family Kanban board. If you like what you see, I've got more content on at benhowardclark.com. Please have a look, and looking forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot, guys. See you later.